All right, so how was that?
Well,
29 with a 29 60 foot
that was pretty good.
on 275 only?
Yeah,
Not
definitely.
bad.
Hey guys, Matt with Diablosport here. We're out with the 2019 Hellcat Redeye doing some track testing. Brian, we've taken it down this track before, probably in less favorable conditions. What have you changed from then to now, and what are you hoping it'll do?
Basically, we've converted it to E85, made a little bit more horsepower there, changed the fuel system to get a little headroom on the injector since we're only running 1050s. Last time we were out here, it was 90 degrees all day and night, and the DA was somewhere around 22 to 2500. So we're basically chasing better air, and we're going to see what it can do today.
All right, perfect. Well, let's take it down the track. We just took it down the track for our first pass on this tune with the E85, and remind them again what we did.
929 with a 129 60 foot.
So that's pretty impressive, right?
Yeah, we're not really shifting it high or anything. This is pretty much the exact same way we came out with pump gas, just with the 85. This is basically just the shakedown tune. It's pretty light. We made quite a bit more power on the dyno, so we're gonna load it up a little hotter and see if it'll go a little faster.
Okay, perfect. Well, let's get that tune loaded and give it a shot. That's not good.
Welcome to the new delusion. Welcome to the new delusion.
Alrighty guys, we're about to wrap up the Diablosport track day. Brian, not the end we wanted to have for the Redeye, but we definitely accomplished some of the things we set out to do. So why don't you give us a summary of how this day went?
We ran a 929 and off the trailer on a soft tune-up on 85 with nothing else and stock cats. Went turned up a little bit more, and then we ended up having a little issue. So we definitely came home with the crown of the driver's side axle, that is. And you know, we'll change it up and we'll be back out next time.